First and foremost, we are very happy that bail has been granted, and because EFCC had earlier granted bail, so what was done was to incorporate the conditions of bail that EFCC had already given, and then the Honorable Court added a few more, such as restricting the movement of the first defendant to Federal Capital Territory during the duration of the case, except if he intends to leave Abuja, he has to be with the leave of the court. So that is just what has been added. So for us, we are happy that this has been taken care of. Then we are now going to proceed with the actual trial.
So the first witness for the prosecution was caught. Did you have a chance to cross-examine the witness?
Yes, where you see, trial has in fact started, but it might not be fair to begin to comment on the evidence itself. Everything is still allegation. By the time we come back, we are now going to cross-examine him. In fact, the nature of this case is such that we may have to even issue subpoenas to subpoena and invite to court certain persons who we feel are very critical to the resolution of the thorny issues in this matter. Because from what we have already seen, there are certain things that the people of this country need to know about. You have been hearing about the groups and all that. So these are things that as the trial progresses, the questions will throw more light on this. So, but we're happy we have started.
So is it 5 billion or 5 million bills?
I had 5 million, but I'm not sure whether I had well. But we are going to get all the details. Yes.
Okay.
I had 250 for the shorties. Yes, I had for the shorties. Yes. But the most important thing, these are just mere figures. Yes, the accused persons are going to come to court. They will sign, the directors, the permanent secretaries will sign for them. The assurance is that they will always turn up for trial. So the figures involved are not material. Nobody is going to pay anything. Nobody is going to take anything.
She stood on the 2 perm sec. You were talking about 1 perm sec.
No, it's 1 perm sec and 1 director.
The essence of terms of bail condition is to ensure that the people are present in court. I think that order that says that they cannot move out of Abuja, to me, is sufficient enough to ensure that they are around. So, and they can't travel even to neighboring adjoining state without the leave of this court. I think that's sufficient enough. So, and the other conditions added to them, they can't travel outside the country. The international passports are before the court, and then the directors who are to stand sureties and permanent secretary. I think those are sufficient conditions.
How much is the amount for the bond?
It's not clear because I think it was around 10 billion or so for 5 billion. Yes. So it's billion, not million. So thank you.
Okay, you presented one witness. How many do you intend to bring in the next couple of times?
We don't have much witnesses here. It's a case that they are mostly documentary, the movement of funds. So we just got a few witnesses, and we should be able to conclude very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.